Thank you.
Okay, can you share your screen for only 2 or 5 minutes?
Okay.
And
Oh,
because we are completed our first project on Fiverr, so every sellers deliver the orders, then every buyers are accept it. This is the process.
okay. This is my screen. What are we looking at?
Okay, just cancel the message overview. No. Only cancel the message. Like, can you full screen the? Okay, again go to the Fiverr dashboard. Yeah, and then reload it or refresh it the page, and then click on view delivery.
Click on what?
Go, because I have delivered the orders. Okay, you just need to accept it. Click on view
Okay,
delivery.
so we done the first project, and the next one that I needed help with, you say you can't do. So
Exactly, I can.
what are you going to be doing for me now again this time? What are we doing? Because I still haven't, gotten anything. We did it likes, but now I need to do the campaign with landing page and calendar and all that, and you say you're not able to do that. So what else what is this order about?
This is about what I have done. Okay, but I'm here always to help you, and our messages are always open. You can message me when you have need. Then I am here to help you launch new campaign.
Okay. So is that what
Okay.
this is?
Yep. Exactly. And then scroll down, and yes, I approve the delivery on the middle section.
You're not going to charge me for anything here, is it?
No, no charge. And then last one, like exceptionals. It will help me to service might provide in Fibers. Click on exceptional. It will help me a lot and my expertise. And then check mark on the below, down below. Innovation, data depth, strategic thinking. Yeah. Attention to details. Only one check mark.
I guess it's only take one.
Yes,
Please.
just click one time and then up next.
And then what?
Click on next down below.
Oops.
Have you see the next options?
Oh, let me go back. I can't see because this part is blocking me.
Click on next.
I did. Did click next, but it's nothing is happening.
Okay, reload the page again.
Let me stop sharing and do it again. Okay, you see, I clicked next, but it's still sitting there grayed out.
No,
Oh, I
click on
had to
the
do it.
exceptions. Click on the exception. Yeah, and then like we love here that like yeah. Each and every, please check mark it. Yes, go ahead.
It's not taking that.
Again, exceptions. And after that, can I provide the text
Yeah,
here? You just copy and paste it here. Yeah, that's it. Just click on submit. No need to click others, just click on submit. No need to give me tips. Click on letter. Yeah. Thank you so much. So, what do you think? Like when you have uh, work with new campaign?
would you like to keep working together? Okay,
Exactly. I am
start working on
interested to
longer
working with you.
project. Yeah, we're gonna do that later. Let me build it. Let me finish with mine because I need to do video and get